In this video, we'll explore effective methods for using the stochastic indicator in trading. We'll explore stochastic with candlestick patterns and trend filters. The stochastic is an oscillator indicator similar to RSI. It is used to measure the market strength, trend, and momentum. It moves within a range of 0 to 100 and identifies overbought and oversold areas. Stochastic has two lines, K% and D%, which provide additional signals. Let's take a look. If the K line crosses the D line from the overbought zone, the market is likely moving downward. If the K line crosses the D line from the oversold zone, the market is likely moving upward. Now, let's discuss how to use stochastic in trading. One common mistake new traders make is to buy as soon as stochastic enters the oversold level. Similarly, beginners tend to sell as soon as stochastic enters the overbought level. But this is not the best strategy. In a strong trend, stochastic might stay in the overbought or oversold regions for a while. Let's explore stochastic with price action concepts like support, resistance, and trend lines. When the market is on an uptrend, we draw a trend line like this. Whenever the price approaches this trend line and stochastic is in the oversold zone, a pattern emerges. We wait for stochastic to break out in an oversold region. If a bullish pin bar appears along with this, it's a perfect signal to buy. Likewise, when the market is on a downtrend, we draw a trend line like this. Whenever the price approaches this trend line and stochastic is in the overbought zone, we wait for stochastic to break out in the overbought region. If a bearish pin bar appears along with this, it's a perfect signal to sell. The same pattern repeats multiple times. Similar logic applies to resistance. If the price nears a resistance level and stochastic is in the overbought zone, it often leads to a price drop. We wait for stochastic to exit the overbought region and open a sell trade. Let's take a look at support. If the price nears a support level and stochastic is in the oversold zone, it often leads to a price hike. We wait for stochastic to exit the oversold region and open a buy trade. In this video, I have shared how you can use stochastic indicator to generate high profits. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more trading knowledge. See you next time.